In this video, I will show you how you can make $30 every 10 minutes, and up to $180 per hour. And for this method, you're going to be using Google Translate and CPA Grip. I want to start this video by saying this method is not one of those transcribed methods. This is a different method, it's a different way of making money. And with this method, you can make around $25 to $30 every 10 minutes. You don't get paid per hour, you get paid every 10 minutes. So that's $180 that you could potentially be made using this method. Most people that use this method actually do it for around 4 to 5 hours every single day. If you use this website for about 5 hours every single day, then you're going to be making around $900 a day, which is not bad. Now, before we started the video, I'd like to mention that this method is completely free, anyone can do it. And if you'd like to make money online, I highly suggest that you subscribe to this channel. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Right now I'm here in Google Translate, which is the website that you want to be heading to. All you have to do to get to this website is, go into Google and type Translate. Once you're on the Google Translate website, you are given access to translate from any language you wish. And all you have to do to go into the full website is just click Google Translate in the search index. It's going to open the full website for you to browse. Okay, so once you're in the Google Translate website, all you have to do to translate something, if you don't know how to use it, you choose the language that you want to be translating to and the language that you want it to be translated to. So let's say I wanted to translate from English to Spanish. So I type in hello, it's going to translate it into Spanish. Alright. So pretty straightforward. So now that you know how to translate things, it's really easy and straightforward. All you have to do is to head off to CPA Grip. I like this website because it's easy to make money with it. All you have to do is copy your affiliate link from some of the actions that it's going to give you inside the website. And whenever someone does something, like click a link or put in an email, you're going to be earning money from that. So it's really easy to make money using this website. And basically, anyone around the world can use it because it uses PayPal to pay people. All you have to do to register for it is click register. Once your registration is completed, you will be taken to the dashboard. One of the things that you're going to see as soon as you log into this website is all the people that are making money using it right. A lot of people are making money from this site. And I know people that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars using this website. What I'm going to be showing you today is how you can use this website to make a lot of money in a kind of different way. So what you have to do is you go to the offer tools, you click my offers. By default, it knows that I'm in the United States. So it shows United States for me, which you know, most of the offers here are not bad. As you guys can see, the highest paying offer is paying $2.05, which is not bad. You know, if you have a high volume of traffic, you can make a lot of money doing this. But if you wanted to make $2,000 using this method here, you're going to be having to drive traffic from 1,000 people to get $2,000. I know not many of you can't do this unless you're using one of the other methods that I've taught in the past, which is using YouTube Shorts and that kind of stuff. But what if you could make more money than $2 an offer? How nice will that be? So one thing that I know not many people know about is you need to use top paying countries that have high value offers. If we go to a country like France, as you can see here in France they have a payout higher than some other countries. And the reason for that is not many people are using these countries to make money. So they want to pay more money to incentivize people to use their websites in these countries. There are lots of people using it in the United States, so the offer is small. But there are not so many people using it in France, so they want to incentivize you to start using this in France as well. Countries like Spain and Italy have the same advantages. What we're going to do is, we're going to focus on Spain. When you look at this website, Spain might not actually be the highest bid. You want to look over for the highest paying countries. You could check Sweden, Portugal, Australia, Switzerland, Brazil, Egypt, Mexico, and many other countries. You could look over these countries and see what people are promoting and how much they pay. In this case today, Spain is paying the highest. So I'm going to choose an offer here in Spain. And the reason why they are paying so much is that people don't speak Spanish. For that reason, most people only want to promote English offers. And this is where the opportunity for you lies. So, what you want to do to get your affiliate link. Now that you have your affiliate link, you want to copy it and put it somewhere so you don't lose it. You might want to shorten this link and make it more appealing for people to click. What you should do after that is to go over to Google Translate and translate the Spanish names and descriptions to English. So let's look at an offer. On our offer here, people are going to be paying us $28.76 for each person that inputs their phone number into this offer. And then when they do, you're going to get the money. So in this website that I'm going to show you later in the video, it is guaranteed that you're going to be getting at least 1,000 visitors to your offers. Not all of them are going to be completing your offer. Let's say 10% of those people complete your offer. So let's open the calculator here. 1,000 people minus 10%. That's 100 people. Let's say 100 people complete your offer. And that's 10% of those people, and 100 times 28, that's $2,800. So you're going to be making over $2,800 if at least 100 of those people click our offer and putting their phone numbers to sign up for the offer. In fact, let's say only 10% of those 100 people did the offer minus, you would still be earning $280. If 10 people do your offer, you're going to be earning $280, which is still worth it for something that you took less than 10 minutes to set up. When you're done with that, you want to head off to this website called trafficadbar.com. With this website, you can get thousands of visits to the offers that you are promoting. Go ahead, copy that link and paste it to where it says add website, after which you add the offer. Google Translate comes in useful here. You will go back to CPA Grip and then translate everything on the offer to fit into the ad that you're trying to run. You translate the title, the description, and very much every essential text in the offer. Now, this is going to be your ad. And this is what it's going to look like. When you're done, it's going to post your ad into the network. After you've done that, you want to click save, and it's going to be saving your ad into the network. And every time someone performs that action that you told them to do, you're going to be earning from it. And remember, the website is promising to give people 1,000 visitors. And for every 1% of those people that do it, you're going to be earning hundreds of dollars already, which is worth it. If you want to get more traffic to that offer, you can check out other videos of mine, where I will show you how to use YouTube Shorts to get millions of views for your offers. So till next time, bye.